Hello, good day. I welcome you all to this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to download videos on Selar platform. As we all know that Selar is online platform e-commerce store builder to sell any kind of digital product or service to anywhere to anyone in the world. Seller has a variety of services which they render like digital products, ebooks, course and membership, event ticket and training services, and even they are selling physical goods. Now in this tutorial we are going to center our discussion on how to um download videos on Seller. Those videos in which you have access to after you might have purchased any course on Seller. Now let's go into the tutorial. The first step is for you to log on your account on Seller. Click on login. On login section, you'll be asked to provide your username and password. Let me provide my own username and password. After you might have enter your username and your password, click on login. Now I've logged into the account I have on Seller, and let me go to the course in which I have on it. My purchases. Yes, I have access to this course done by Courage Ngele, which is profitable Facebook and Instagram ads and marketing guide. Let me click on it. Click on access course. Now I'm on this course now. These are the course curriculum now, which are of different modules. Now let me try to show you a video so that you can know how to download any kind of video that you have on your account. Now the first one, which is profitable introduction to profitable Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Now let me click on the first video. Can you see that the video is playing now? You can see at the top right corner of the app in which I'm making use of, you see something that display one. Click on it. It will show you a prompt at sort and close, and you will see a display board that is moving. Click on that on no. You will see under save as. On that save as, you can name the video any name that you want. Now let me name this video as test for you to know how to download this video. You now click on start. Now the video download has started. Now for you to know where your video is located, you will see three buttons at the right corner of your app. Click on it. Click on return to IDM plus. Now the downloading is going now. Now I can see that the downloading has finished now. I can now play the video. Let me show. Start all over. Can you see now I have the access to the video? It's because I've attached a microphone to my phone. That was the reason why you couldn't hear the voice of the video. Let's go back to the course. Let me go back to it so that I can even show you another one. Let me look for another video that is of lesser size. Let me click on how to create Facebook page. Now let me show you now. You can see where I circle. Can you see where I circle now? That is where the download icon display that you are expected to click on. Now click on it now. From there you will see a moving text. This is a moving text. Just click on that moving text. Now you will see where they have certificates and under show save as. Now you have to rename this prompt name to any name that you want to give to your downloads, because if you try to leave it at certificates, anytime you are downloading different videos, it will override the previous video. For you to um get it right, the best thing for you just to name the video anything that you want. You can give it any name. Let me give you as ES now just to show you how to download. Now click on start. Now you can now exit this browsing mode. Just click on these three dots here. Can you see the three dots? Yeah, on that three dots, now click on it. Click on return to IGM plus. Click on it. You will now see that your video the has completed download on this app. You can now play the video. Let me play the second video for you to see how it look. Can you see it now? I have the second video downloaded on my phone. That is how to download. We have come to the end of the tutorial. I have an offer for you, a course in which I explain the rudiment, how to make use of the software to download videos on Udemy. You know, Udemy is an online platform in which you are not allowed to download videos on. You can make use of this powerful software to download videos on Udemy, on Facebook. Likewise, you can make use of the software to download videos on your Google Drive. The purpose of making use of this video on Google Drive is that sometimes when you are trying to download videos on Google Drive, in which you have internet epilepsies, in which you have internet, your internet is not that strong, you might lose your files. But make use of this software. You don't need to be panic about losing any file. If your data is finished and you can restart, you can start from where the data stopped. That's one of the benefits of using this software, in which I explain in this course. And likewise, and you can make use of this powerful software to download any videos anywhere, so far as you have this software. This software have a grabber that can grab any link. You can make use of it to download videos, pictures, anything that is downloadable online. You click on you will see the link to get access to this course on the description section. Just click on it. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more updates, and don't forget to comment at the comment section so that I can know how you feel about this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.